Climate change is a major threat to global biodiversity. Climate change is due to global warming, which is witnessed by a rapid industrialization which releases huge amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and another reason is depletion of ozone layer which allowed harmful UV radiation into the earth's atmosphere. And climate, that is solar insolation, that is sunlight, precipitation, that means rainfall, and wind pattern in the region, and humidity in the air in one geographical location during a long period of time is referred as climate of that region. 180 years before present, many of the countries in the world, mostly western countries in the world, flourished with industrial revolution which involved in burning of huge quantity of fossil fuel, example coal. The process added huge quantity of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. into the earth's atmosphere, which has, that means carbon dioxide has temperature holding capacity. Increase in carbon dioxide concentration in atmosphere lead to increase in average temperature of the earth's atmosphere, known as global warming. The increase in temperature of oceans lead to melting of cryosphere. Cryosphere means water in the form of ice. Ice sheets were melting in Arctic, Greenland and Antarctica due to the rise in temperature of ocean. And also melting of alpine mountain glaciers in Europe, melting of Himalayan mountain glaciers in India, and melting of Andean glaciers in Peru, melting of Caucasus mountain glaciers in Russia, and melting of Thanasian mountain glaciers in China, and melting of Southern Alps glaciers in New Zealand due to the rise of sea temperature. The released carbon dioxide into the atmosphere due to the industrial activities will be absorbed by the ocean water. The increase in carbon dioxide concentration in the ocean water leads to decrease in pH value of the ocean water, that is known as ocean acidification. Due to the increase in global temperature, the tropical and subtropical diseases were spreading to the polar region, such as malaria, cholera, yellow fever, and dengue fever. The insects, bacteria, and viruses causing such diseases flourishing in extreme weather conditions. Thinning of stratospheric ozone layer allows more ultraviolet radiation to the Earth's surface, which increases the temperature of the Earth. Ozone layer protects the Earth as an umbrella by preventing the entry of harmful ultraviolet radiation into the Earth's atmosphere. El Nino and La Nina also due to the rise in ocean water temperatures. Forest fires are also due to the change in climate. We need to plant more trees, that means afforestation was needed, and we need to avoid the deforestation. So finally, these are the causes of climate change, these are the effects of the climate change. So we need to take more steps towards the afforestation to reduce the impact of the climate change. Thank you.